everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Oh, grabe, I think it's been 2 years or really not sure. 1 year since I've last uploaded a video, and this time I'm gonna do a video na highly requested ever since my YouTube channel started. Wow, akala mo naman ang laki ng YouTube niya. And kung mapapansin nyo, I'm in a different room kasi I've moved out from my sister's house. Yes, I'm already independent. I'm an independent woman now. That at the back, merong mancha dyan. But I did the job, the painting job myself, including this. Ang pangit, di ba? Alam mo yung kahit pader, kina-concealer ko. So, I'm gonna tell you my skincare routine. So, ang skincare products na ginagamit ko, it's a combination of local brands and Korean brands. But, yung mga highly valued ko, yung mga bagay na hindi ako mabubuhay kung wala yung mga skincare na to, it's the Korean brand skincare products. So yun, let's get started. What I'm gonna tell you is my night routine. Syempre, every day, I have to put on makeup. Tingnan mo yan, makeup na naman ako. Pero yun, parang hindi na mawawala sa akin yung makeup. Pero, when I go home and I want to rest, of course, I have to take it all off. Medyo maselan ako when it comes to taking off makeup. Alright, so my makeup remover, I already featured this in my channel. This is, wow, this is Biore makeup remover. So, this is an oil-based makeup remover. And, it really dissolves the makeup. So, I just pump like 2, papam ko ba? But anyway, dalawa lang siya. After 2, just put it on a dry face na may makeup, and it's really going to dissolve the makeup. After it's dissolved, you have to wash it off with water. And mapapansin mo, medyo may bula siyang konti. Tapos, pagkatanggal mo, wala na talaga yung makeup. Even yung mga long-lasting makeup like concealer, mascara, and yung mga super stay matte na mga lipstick, yung mga hanggang bukas andyan pa rin unless tanggalin mo talaga. So, it's about 350. I can give you the link later. And of course, di siya nagtatapos ng pag-remove ng makeup. We have to use a facial wash. So, iba pa yun. So, facial wash, what I'm using right now is, so this one. This is Dr. Sensitive Collagen and Vitamin C Serum Cleanser. And it's low pH, brightening, and wrinkle care. Alam mo yung parang ang dami kong naisip na products na may feature na iba-iba. Na for example, collagen lang yung benefit niya, vitamin C lang yung benefit niya. But all of that benefits and all of that products, it's just combined into this. So far, sana totoo. Pero so far, naniniwala naman ako. I can see on the ingredients na meron talaga siyang ganito. Meron talaga siyang vitamin C, yon, low pH. Yun. So, what I like about this is how it feels on the skin. Because, what I used previously is this, Celetec. So, yun nga, ang aking mantra nga is I'm aging already. I am getting old, so dapat medyo moisturizing yung mga skincare ko. So, this one, ito yung ginagamit ko nung una. It's really good kasi it really moisturizes my skin. It's very gentle to the skin, but I'm actually a combination skin. So, dry yung face ko, but the T-zone, dito part, it's oily. Yun. So, pag ginagamit ko to, ang oily ng skin ko. Ang oily ng ditong part. Pero maganda naman yung the rest. So, yun. I search for something else na medyo, gentle din, and then there's added benefits, and that's when I found this. It's collagen vitamin C. Vitamin C is really good for the skin. It has anti-aging benefits. Low pH din. That's what you can see on toners. It's also anti-aging. Basta ang dami anti-aging dito. And I like that it doesn't dry out my skin and it doesn't make my nose extra oily. That's why I like this. I like this product, and it's only 200 pesos. Alright, so after I wash my face with Dr. Sensitive, and then I pat it dry already. So, dun ako sa mga pahid-pahid na mga skincare. So, ang skincare na inuuna ko is this one. It's ito na yung toner ko ngayon. Pero dati Etude House eh. I can show you another one, the Etude House. It's also good. But this one is what I'm using as toner right now. It's It's Beauty Booster Blooming Essence. So, kasi before we put anything, any skincare on our face, we have to prime the face. And that is through toner. It helps prime your skin so your face can absorb the nutrients, yung mga benefits na makukuha in your essence, moisturizers later. So, yun. So, ang kagandahan nito, hindi lang siya toner. So, another benefit of toner is that it balances the pH balance on your skin. pH is like 1 to 10, the acidity on your face. And the ideal would be like 4.5 to 5.5, something like that, in the middle. Kasi, when you balance the acidity on your face, it's gonna help with anti-aging. It's gonna equip your skin to fight off bacteria and harmful substances. Wow, ang dami. But totoo yun. Seryoso po ako doon. So yun, it's really important na magkaroon ng toner. So this is 3-in-1 toner. So meron siyang toning effect, meron siyang hydrating effect, and it also has hyaluronic acid. So it's brightening, I think, hyaluronic acid. So yun, this is my toner as of now. And after, I just pump actually I pump it on the face. So I pump it like 2, then put it everywhere. And after it's dried, and it dries quickly, parang wala kang nilagay. After it dries, I'm gonna move on to essence. Ubos na. Ayun, so this is my essence. It's from the Korean brand Missha, and it's from Time, if you can see that, Time Revolution Essence Pro Ferment. So, as you can see, paubos na siya. So, I do have another stock kasi paubos na siya. I really cannot live without this essence. So, essence, basically, it's already also a type of skincare product. Ang kinaiba niya lang sa usual like moisturizer and cream. This essence has like smaller molecular weight than moisturizers and cream, meaning hindi lang siya na-absorb ng first layer, it's gonna be absorbed by the deeper layers of your skin. So, parang pag nag-moisturizer ka, tapos sinampal ka, yung moisturizer mo, nasa kamay na niya. Pero when you apply essence, nagsistay siya sa balat. Kahit i-touch mo, sampalin mo, or something. Ganon yung pagkabasa ko. And as you can see, the consistency is actually, parang lang siyang tubig. Oh, sayang. Pero, ayun, to show you. Yun, para lang po siyang tubig. This essence, aside from it being like smaller molecular weight, it has anti-aging effect again, anti-aging, lifting, anti-wrinkle, brightening, and oil controlling. Nakaka-control siya ng oil or sebum. Sebum yung tawag nila dun eh. Ewan ko kung bakit. So yun. So we do have 2 types nito. This is the older one, Pro Ferment, and they released another one. It's Extreme Ferment. Mas hiyang ako dito, pero since ito lang available, okay pa rin sa akin. So yun, the price, if I haven't told the price yet, it's like 1,700. This one, 1,700. And this one is 1,500. Yan. Pero it depends, depending sa sale sa website. So I have another one, it's from the same line. It's also Time Revolution from Missha, but this time it's Ampule. So Ampule, ang difference naman niya, I think it's thicker. The consistency is thicker. If you see that. Yes. Diba? Para siyang tiki-tiki. Pero yun, it's also potent. Marami siyang ingredients, concentrated, highly concentrated. And I just apply this on areas na I need extra help. I need extra moisture. For example, my under eyes, this smile lines, and this forehead na nagkakaroon ng ganyan. So, yun. Doon ko lang nilalagay. It's supposedly to be applied on the whole face. Pero, di naman ako mayaman. So, the price of this is 1,500. And this is smaller. Or, this is just 50 ml. This one, on the other hand, it's 150 ml. So, it lasts me for 1,700, it's gonna last me for 8 months or 9 months. This one, I haven't finished the bottle yet, so I don't know. But I think it's gonna last me a long time since I'm only applying it on focus areas like my eye bags, my smile lines. So yun, I'm hoping, because mahirap bumili ng skincare. Aside from the shipping takes such a long time, mga 2 weeks, pero okay lang. Medyo mahal siya. Pag naubos silang sabay-sabay, teka lang, teka lang guys, huwag muna kayo maubos sabay-sabay. So yun. And lastly, sa aking night routine, it's moisturizer. For moisturizer, hindi naman po ako maselan, pero gusto ko lang, hindi siya masyadong nakaka-oily. So, ito lang, makikita mo kahit saan, sa Watsons, sa Save More. This is Celatec facial moisturizer. Facial moisturizer Celatec, it's I think 170. Char, 250. Yung maliit pala yun. So, for 100 ml, I think it's around 250. And I like it because it's lightweight. I can also use this during the day kasi I put on makeup and it's mainit. And since I need a lightweight moisturizer para hindi ako manggitata during lunch, ganun, or pag mainit. So, yun. Syempre, I don't have a skincare na sobrang grabe manglinis. Yung parang nakaka-scrub, ganyan. So, when I'm feeling like my face is already dirty. Wow! Hindi kasi minsan, diba, sa kaka-makeup ko, minsan nakaklog na yung pores ko and everything. So, I just use this like twice a month, once a month, depende sa sipag ko. So, this is Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. And I just put this on a clean face, then I put this, and then I wait for like 10 minutes, and then I wash it off with warm water. Warm water talaga. And mapansin ko, natatanggal ko na yung mga like whiteheads, blackheads, yun. So parang, alam mo yun, nag-general cleaning ka sa kwarto. Nag-general cleaning din ako sa mukha ko. So, this is what I use. So yun guys, that ends my skincare routine video. So basically, I think I have 6 or 7 steps night skin routine. When I go out, my day routine naman, ang ginagawa ko lang, naglalagay lang ako ng sunblock. Tapos, hindi ko lang ina-apply to saka ito because it's heavy sa skin. So, I just want to thank you guys for watching. The fact na nakaabot ka sa part na to ng video, I'm very, very grateful. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I hope na may nakuha ka sa mga pinagsasabi ko today. I'll try to upload more content. And I hope that you're happy. I hope everyone's happy. I hope na hindi tayo masyadong ma-stress. And we are filled with love and with positivity. Wow! Again, thank you. Oh, that's Mr. Cuddles. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye!